It's Thredup Thursday, and today we are going to open a Thredup DIY designer box. Hey y'all, my name is Christina. I am a part-time reseller on platforms like Poshmark, eBay, The Real, which hopefully we'll get some items in here to send in, Depop Mercari, and here on YouTube. I was out of designer boxes, you guys, and I was able to snag another one. So this one literally showed up at my door yesterday. We are going to open it and see what we got. The label is total trash and it has a relabel on it. So I actually don't know which warehouse this came from. Hopefully there'll be a receipt inside and it will tell us where it came from. Okay. If you're not familiar with the Thredup DIY designer boxes, you get 7 DIY items, which may mean they need cleaning, repair. Maybe they're missing a size. They weren't accepted by Thredup, or maybe they just didn't sell. A lot of these boxes have been full of more luxe items rather than designer, which is what this box originally was intended to be. It is $140 plus tax and then plus $9.99 shipping. I think all in it comes close to $170. It's a pretty high cost of goods, you guys, but I've made some good money on these boxes and they're a lot of fun to open. So let's cut the tape on this one. As soon as I get the tape cut, I'll give you guys the first peek. If you love mystery unboxings, if you love reselling, and if you just love having fun and hanging out, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Turn on that notification button. You guys, I just hit 2,000 subscribers last week. So at the end of the video, I am going to announce the 2,000 subscriber giveaway. And you're going to want to stay tuned because it's awesome. Okay. All right. Just cut the tape. Little like styrofoam popped out on this thing. So and I got it on my shirt. So I'm interested to see what's in here. This one is kind of weighty. So I'm hoping, of course, always for a handbag. I love variety in these boxes, like some accessories. So fingers crossed. Here we go. Okay. Let's lift the lid. Looks like we might have a bag, you guys. Okay. Give y'all the first peek. Right there. And let's get into this one and see what we got. I stopped to take a thumbnail. So now let's get into the box and see what we got. I think I already gave y'all a first peek. This box is literally falling apart, you guys. I don't know if you can see, but it's like pulling apart here. And it looks like on this sweatshirt, there's all sorts of like pieces of cardboard. I don't see the receipt. So I will try to go back in my email and look it up and see where it came from. And then I will pop that on the screen so you know which warehouse this one came from. Because you guys, not all warehouses are created equal at Thredup. Okay, let's pull this first item off the top. We have a red. This one is by Max Mara. Really nice. Looks older. Looks like it's got maybe some wash wear, a little faded, but gorgeous, like lightweight blazer, and a really pretty like red, almost coral color. Let's see if we can find a size on here. I will be giving pricing throughout. So if there is a piece that you're interested in purchasing, just send me an email to stinaresells@gmail.com and I'm happy to sell to you directly. I do invoice through PayPal. And, you know, on smaller items, I do a $5 ship. On these items, it's probably going to be somewhere between $6 and $9 because they're a little heavier. And someone cut out the tag, you guys. So I don't know material. I don't know size. I hate when that happens. I will measure pit to pit and then have a price on the screen for this one. But overall, aside from missing the size, which is probably why it's in here, this one's in good condition. So there's our first item. I'm going to grab another clothing item here. We have a Giorgio Armani. This looks like a black kind of basics skirt, like for workwear, which would be amazing. This one also is cut out. There was a tag right here. So that one's missing. I'll turn it inside out just in case to see if we can get any information. It looks like it's in great condition, which is awesome. A lot of times when I have a size tag missing, I will send those items into the rail because they will take items where the size tag is missing. And it's easier for them to sell than for me. So we'll see. I will give a like waist size on this one and then put a price on the screen for that. But this one's in great condition. So happy about that one. Let's go for another clothing. It looks like we have, let y'all kind of see. Oh, looks like we've got clothing stacked over here where the pink one is, a sweatshirt here, a pair of shoes, and a handbag. So let's do another piece of clothing and then we'll check out the shoes. I kind of want to save the handbag for last because I love handbags. Okay. This one is beautiful. This is Alice and Olivia. And this one's a really beautiful pink color. Okay, it is sleeveless. Dress. Okay, let's see if we can find the size. So far that's the theme. We're missing sizes on everything so far. But hopefully this one has one. Let's see. This is 100% silk. I do think that somebody washed this, however. That's what it feels like to me. I don't see the size on this tag. Usually with Alice and Olivia, the size tag is like up here by the shoulder, and it's usually also like a clear tag. So I'm thinking that it's missing. I will look it over a little more closely off camera and see if I can find a size. If not, I'll have the measurements here on the screen. This is beautiful. Again, looks like it's in great condition. So, I mean, you got to decide what is it that you would rather have, something in bad condition or something missing a size tag. I mean, I'll take the missing size tag all day. What I really hope for in these boxes is one item that's like a standout item that I know will pay for the majority of the box. That way everything else is just kind of a bonus. Okay. So let's do the shoes. It looks like they put one shoe here and then the other shoe like down here with some tissue, which is kind of weird. I don't think I've had them do that before. Like they're protecting the clothes, which is nice. I mean, let's do that all day long. Okay, we have a pair of Ferragamos. We have a little bit of an issue right here, it looks like. Trying to see if that's something that I can fix. Probably not. It needs to be, it wouldn't be a hard fix, but it needs to be like tacked back down, this piece of leather, because the leather itself is torn. So that's not something that I feel comfortable fixing. These are a size 10, so a C. So that's a great size. Really classic shape of a shoe. Great for like work. It's got kind of the croc embossed toe. The Ferragamo links here. It's got Ferragamo, it says right there. So a cobbler could probably go in and fix this. There's the bottom. Not sure how much that would cost. I did have a pair of YSL sandals that came in one of these boxes that the strap had been completely detached, along with all of the like embellishments that went across that strap. And I took that into my cobbler, who I've talked about before on the channel. He's super like eccentric and I think he's so cool. And he was able to fix it for me. Do they look stellar? No, because he also tried to fix the embellishments that had come off. But you know, I'm going to wear them and you know, that's fine for me. So, just depends on your cobbler, I think, on how much it would cost to fix these. So I will have a price on the screen for these. So good size. Okay. So that was like our one pair of shoes. So let's finish the clothing and then we'll take a look at the bag. Okay. We've got, oh, this feels nice. Who are you? Okay, we've got the couplets. Okay, Paris. I love their clothing. It's so well made. It's beautiful. Does not have the highest resale value. However, this is a gorgeous black dress. You have an exposed zipper in the back. Okay, to about the waist. And they have this beautiful, like, ruffle, like sewn ruffle detail. This has like quite a bit of stretch to it, which is awesome. Let's see if I can find the size. Theirs is usually in the shoulder as well. I don't see it. So let me check underneath. Okay. This is 54% viscose, 45% polyamide, and 1% elastane. And this is a size 1. So I will put the size equivalent on the screen for the couples dress. Gorgeous. Just from what I'm seeing, this looks like it's in excellent condition. I don't see anything wrong with this. This is beautiful. If this was in my size, I would totally wear this. Gorgeous. Feels so nice. So that's great. Again, no standout that's gonna, you know, pay for the box, but hopefully add it all together. It'll pay for everything. Sorry. Look at all the cardboard that's all over this sweatshirt, you guys. Hold please. I try to brush some of this off. It looks like it is kind of dingy or stained, so I don't know if that was from shipping and the box breaking or if it was like that. But we do have Burberry. Love getting Burberry in these boxes. Okay, we've got a pale pink sweatshirt. You can kind of see where that stain is, you guys, like right here. There's like a stain throughout, kind of down the front. I don't know if that'll come out, and I probably don't have time to launder it before the video goes up. This is in a size small. Okay, so I will put a price on the screen, accounting for the stain, because I don't know if it's going to come out or not. It's here, like all along the top. I'm going to guess that that's not going to come out. And there is kind of some wear to some of the Burberry letters. You can see that. But overall, I mean, I love this sweatshirt, you guys. I wish this was in my size because, again, this is something else that I would keep and totally wear. So stained, but we did get Burberry. So, okay. All right, guys. It's time for the handbag. Fingers crossed. I'm really hoping it's awesome. Okay. Y'all are going to see before I do. Okay, we've got a black handbag. This, I guessed by the way it felt, this is a Marc Jacobs. It says there on the tag. Let's see. The strap is no bueno. The strap is not in great shape. You've got a leather and like silver tone, kind of like chain strap, but you can see, let me see the best like way to show you. So up where at the top of where the shoulder was, a lot of these leather pieces have a lot of wear. And then like this one down here has a lot of wear. So just a lot of wear in these leather pieces. This one's like cracked. Like I'd be worried that this is going to come off. If it were me, because of the shape of this bag, I would actually cut this off and get a really cool crossbody strap and attach it to this and use this as a crossbody bag instead of a shoulder bag. That's what I would do. Let's check the inside. Inside does have some wear and light staining, but it's almost like a suede on the inside. You've got your nameplate, zipper pocket. Uh-oh. Oh no. It smells like cigarette smoke. Oh, darn it. Okay, so the inside, the exterior doesn't really smell like smoke. I don't have the best sense of smell, you guys, for reals. Like, I have to have people check me. I'm like, does this smell okay? So I don't have the best sense of smell, but I can smell that the inside of the bag does smell like cigarette smoke. The outside, from what I can tell, smells okay, but again, I don't have the best sense of smell. Other than that, the bag looks really great. There's no like really corner wear, no wear on the bottom. So this overall is a great bag, but it does have a smell, and truly that strap is going to have to be replaced. The exterior zipper pocket looks like it's in amazing shape. So I will have to note, presuming that I list this, that it does smell like cigarette smoke on the inside. Now, there are a few tricks to getting the smell out. Some people will put like a baggie of open coffee in there to try to absorb the scent. There's little air erasers that places sell that you can put inside items to help absorb the smell. I can try some of those tricks and see if I can get it out. The cigarette smoke's a hard one, you guys. So we'll see. All right. So overall, the box was good. I'm still hoping one day to get a Louis Vuitton in one of these boxes. So I was hoping that maybe, because it was heavy, that I was going to get that. But I'm not mad about this box. I got a handbag, which I love. I got a pair of shoes, Ferragamos, even though they have some damage. We got overall some items that were in great shape. Let me know what you think and drop that in the comments if you've gotten a box recently and how it compared to this one. All right, you guys, let's talk about the giveaway. I am going to do a giveaway just to celebrate hitting 2,000 subscribers. All you have to do to enter is below in the comments, put the word congrats. I am going to be doing a drawing for, y'all wait for it, a Thredup DIY 5-pound jewelry box. Arguably, probably the hardest box to get on Thredup. I have a couple in my stash, and so I'm going to give one away, you guys. Again, all you have to do to enter is give the video a like, drop down in the comments the word congrats, give me some emojis, and next Thursday, on Thredup Thursday, I will announce the winner. So I will shut off entries Wednesday, the day before, so next Wednesday, at 11:59 p.m. So basically midnight. I will put all this down in the description, so if you're confused about the rules, you can go double check it. But yeah, you guys, I'm going to give away a Thredup DIY 5-pound jewelry box. So make sure that you drop down in the comments the word congrats and let's celebrate. Thank you guys so much for getting me here and on to the next milestone. Don't forget to check out the channel on Saturday. I'm going to be part of a jewelry collab on Saturday. I will be opening a Thredup mixed jewelry box on the channel, along with Brighton's reseller box, and showing some James Avery rings that I picked up at my local Goodwill. I have a lot to pack in 30 minutes, you guys, so I'm going to try to move fast on my Saturday video. I believe I'm going at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. I will have the whole schedule posted in the channel. It's going to be all jewelry all day. See y'all then. Bye.